to continue on with PowerPoint Project 6, in the project they had us copy the 3 images from slide 1 onto slides 2, 3, and 4 respectively, and now I'm working on slide 2, and I'm going to add some action buttons. And action buttons are predefined buttons that take you to various locations, and the way you do that is under the Insert tab, go down to Shapes, and at the bottom you have action buttons, and they want us to choose the 4th one over, which is will take it to the end of the presentation. And I'm just going to draw the button down here, and what that will do is that'll hyperlink us to the last slide. And you can actually have it also play sound, and they have you for slide 2, I believe, they have you play, make sure I get the right sound for 2, the push sound. So let's add push here. And these are all predefined sounds that should be on your computer. I'm going to take the button and shrink it down a little bit just to make it a little more subtle. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy that button so I don't have to redefine it on slide 3, and paste it and put it back down the corner. And the only difference they want us to do now is they want us to change the sound, and under the Insert tab, if we go to Actions, it'll hyperlink to the next slide, and this one here on slide 3, they want us to have the breeze sound, I believe. And since I copied it, I can go on to slide 4 and paste the button, go to Action, and they want this one to go to the same slide but play the sound whoosh. So I'm going to play the sound whoosh. So again, you can check these at any time, and it may not be a bad idea to do that. I'm just going to go through to make sure the items are on there. It is a good time to save, so I'm going to save right now as I continue on. What they want us to do now is go back to slide 2, and we're going to make this image, or this picture, an actual hyperlink. And let's see, to do that, we click on the link and do the same operation. We're going to go up to the action button, and we want this to hyperlink to, you can choose a number of different things here. And for this, they actually want us to hyperlink to make sure I get the right one. Hyperlink to another PowerPoint presentation. Okay, which is right here. Sorry for that. Other PowerPoint presentation. And they want us to hyperlink it to the additional health, and then which slide in the other PowerPoint. So let's go to the top one since we are dealing with doctors. So hit OK on that. On the next slide, we're going to do the same idea. We're going to hyperlink this to another presentation, the additional health, and we'll do the body fat calculation. Oh, wait a second, did I do the right one? I may have skipped the wrong one. Yep, sorry about that. Cancel that. I should have done that on slide 4. Slide 4, the same idea. Action, hyperlink to other PowerPoint presentation, additional health, body fat classifications. Okay with that one. Now on slide 3, they have us demonstrate that you can link to another document. So I'm going to link to, instead of a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to link to another file, and they want us to link to Word document, which is medication record, I believe. Yes, medication record. And I'm on page 354 if you're keeping up with me or playing along at home. What they want us to do now is I'm actually going to leave this presentation open. I'm going to save it before I do any more, and I'm going to open up from my data files the other additional health presentation, just to show you that I have these two. And I'm going to add action buttons here under Insert, and there's an action button down here that's called Return. And I'm going to actually draw this little button down here. And what we want to do here is we're going to hyperlink this back to the slide that it came from the original one. So I'm going to click on hyperlink to, like we did the other one. I'm going to go to other PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to do what I call that, the home presentation. And let me make sure I get the right one here. I'm going to go to slide 2 because this one is the first slide's the one that came from the doctors. On the second slide, I'm going to insert the return button. Do the same idea. Have this hyperlink back to PowerPoint presentation, home presentation, which is what I'm working on, and this one will go to slide 4 because that's where we discussed overweight people. So now let me save this presentation. So in essence, I have two. The small one with 4 slides and the other one which we're working on. And I want you to submit both of them so that we can check to make sure that all the items do hyperlink between the two separated PowerPoint presentations.